Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Taylor Mitchell,
And I'm Esmeralda Galan.
and this is our math model presentation on place value. So what is place value? Place value is where the position of a digit in a number determines its value, and we have it going from like the whole part with the millions all the way to the decimal point and to the decimal part. And what kind of math is used to teach place value? Well, place value provides the foundation for math concepts like foundation for regrouping, multiple digit multiplication, and the decimal system. And how does this help students access the math content? Well, the place value helps students see the value of each digit. See, like have it be like 3,528. It also helps find and compare the place value of each digit.
So for concrete, we thought that the Unifix cubes would be good since it helps students visualize the value of each digit. And so when we're in classroom, we can use the actual Unifix cubes, but in times like when we were in the pandemic and doing online learning, a great resource that we found, also linked, is the virtual chart that students can use. And you can even use this in your class when we're doing live classrooms. And then also, you can just model it by using the Unifix cubes and then have the students actually use them. Like here we have the 25, and that's a way that you can use them. You can have them partner up and, switch up. So for semi-concrete, we actually thought that, since it involves drawing pictures or ideas that represent the concrete objects previously used, we thought that having students make their own charts would be a great resource and tool for them for the future. You can even have them color coded. Um, and yeah, it's just a great resource for them to get comfortable with the place value charts, and it's great because you can use them in the lower levels as well as the upper levels. And for abstract, we also have students use what they have learned to make and solve equation and numbers. So for example, to practice, the teacher can incorporate concrete and semi-concrete examples that we previously used to demonstrate so they can visually see the equation, and at the end the teacher can show the equation and then have students make their own equations and solve them. Or you can have students pair up and work collaboratively. One makes the equation while the other one solves them, and then vice versa. They take turns, making the equations and solving them. It's just a great way for them to get comfortable creating equations and solving them. So for our activity, we chose Kahoot, and we actually found two Kahoots, one for second graders and then one for fifth graders. And I'm going to show you the second grade one first. And what is great is that you has all these questions, what number is shown, and then for example in this one there's three tens and four ones, so the answer is 34. And what is great about this is that the teacher can actually see the students' answers and can review as they are playing the game if the students get it wrong. Or it's also a great way for the teacher to see what the students know and what she or he needs to work on. And then for the fifth grade, we have the decimal place values, which is also very helpful. Like we said, it's a great way to assess students informally and then see what they need to work on. And as a teacher, you can definitely see what strengths your students have and what they need to be working on. And that's it for our presentation. We highly recommend that you choose one Kahoot and see how you like it. And that's it. Thank you for looking at our presentation.